In this video, I will show you the fastest solution to problem 15 of the 2021 AMC10B. If you like my solution, please hit the like button so more people can see this video. Enjoy! The real number x satisfies the equation x plus 1 over x is equal to the square root of 5. What is the value of x to the power of 11 minus 7 times x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 3? So the first thing we want to do is make this expression look similar to this equation, because that will help us understand how to use this equation to find the value of this expression. Let's start by writing the expression down here. X to the power of 11 minus 7 times x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 3. What we can do is we can factor out x to the power of 7 from our expression, giving us x to the power of 7 times x to the power of 4 minus 7 plus 1 over x to the power of 4, which is the same as x to the power of 7 times x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 minus 7. Now we see that this part of our expression looks similar to this part of our equation. So now, let's try and find the value of x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4. There's an interesting property of this binomial x plus 1 over x. If we take the square of it, we get x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x squared. But x times 1 over x, right here, is 1. So this is the same as x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. We know that in this case, the value of x plus 1 over x is the square root of 5. So x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared will be equal to the square root of 5 squared, which is 5. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 3. Now we can square this binomial again, and that will give us x to the power of 4 plus 2 times x squared times 1 over x squared plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 9. Again, these two cancel out, so we get x to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 9. So x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 7. Let's bring this expression down a bit. Right here. We now know that x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 is equal to 7. So this expression is equal to x to the power of 7 times 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, so we get 0 times x to the power of 7. Anything times 0 is 0, so the value of our expression is 0, which means the answer is B. And we're done.